The 50 freestyle is the most contested and unpredictable race at the Olympics. Researchers found that if swimmers in this one study took even one breath, they would lose 0.15 seconds in the 50 meters. This means that by taking one breath, you might lose the race. The 50 freestyle is full of interesting facts, and I couldn't pick just one story to focus on. So here are the top 10 facts about this event. We've only had 9 Olympic champions in the history of this event. The only one who has defended this title has been Inge de Bruin. Dara Torres won an Olympic medal before this was even an Olympic event. Then, 25 years later, at 41 years of age, she won silver in 2008. The current world record holder is Sarah Sjostrom. She won silver in Tokyo 2021. She has won gold at 3 world championships since then. Not only that, but she broke the world record last year, just minutes after swimming the 50 butterfly. This makes her the favorite to win this summer. Livet Trickett was the first person to swim below 24 seconds. Only 15 people in history have swum the 50 freestyle below 24 seconds. Only 6 people have done it twice or more. Only 4 people have done it 3 times or more. Only 3 people have done it 4 times or more. Only 2 people have done it 9 times or more. And the one and only female swimmer to have swum this event in less than 24 seconds 35 times has been Sarah Sjostrom, 6 times under 24 seconds this year alone. Sarah Sjostrom has been winning medals at the World Championships since 2009. What is even more unusual about her is that she has won medals from 5 different individual events. That's not something many people can say, but lately her most dominant performances have been in the 50 butterfly and freestyle. The 50 freestyle is the shortest event by far because there are no 50s of other strokes at the Olympics. The 50 freestyle is mainly anaerobic, which means you don't need a lot of oxygen to produce the energy necessary to finish the 50 freestyle. The buildup of CO2 will cause discomfort to the athlete, but it's worth not taking a breath to go faster. Only highly trained swimmers can do this. Pernille Bloom was ranked 10th before the Olympics of Rio 2016, so it was a real surprise even for her when she touched the wall first. In Tokyo 2021, Emma McKeon became the Olympic champion of this event. This was one of her 7 medals at those Olympics. Sarah Sjostrom and Pernille Bloom joined her on the podium. This is the last individual female swimming event at the Olympics of Paris 2024. We will have a new winner because the defending Olympic champion, Emma McKeon, failed to qualify for this event. These are the top best-ranked female swimmers in the 50 freestyle before the Olympics. Do you think one of these swimmers will win, or will we see a surprise from the lower-ranked swimmers as it happened in 2016 with Pernille Bloom? If you want to control your breath while swimming, click on this video. See you there. Swim fast.